What if I tell you that consistency is more important than motivation and talented person? Would you believe me? Most people think that success comes from big task and motivation. That's not true. Success comes from the action which you take every day. It has been seen that in the long run, consistency beats talent and motivation. You don't have to be the best person of your room. You just have to be the person who takes action every day. Hi, my name is Mohit Sambaria, and in this video, I will be telling you everything about consistency. And at the end of this video, I will tell you how did I become consistent with my journey. In this video, firstly, I will be telling you what is consistency, then what is the main problem because of that most people are not able to be consistent with their journey. Then I will tell you solution. So watch this video till the end. Let me start this video without wasting our time. So what is consistency? Consistency means is doing the same thing for longer time even when you are reluctant to do or not. Improve 1% every day even you are getting motivation or not. This is the real meaning of consistency. Let me tell you why most people are not able to be consistent with their journey. There are only four ways. Because of that, it has been noticed most of the people have this notion in their mind. Because of that, they are not able to be consistent with their journey. So first problem, they rely on motivation. If you are the person who rely too much on motivation, you will never be able to consistent with your journey, because motivation comes and goes. Motivation doesn't stay with you for longer time, because if you watch any video and you get motivation, that won't be able to last with you for longer time. So you need to shift your mind from motivation to discipline. This is the main problem that has been seen lots of the time, and most of the people have this notion. Because of that, they are not able to be consistent with their journey. Second problem is that they want they want instant result. I have seen lots of people, when I ask them, okay, what are you doing, they tell me I am doing this, I am to doing that. And when I ask how much time you have spent with that, they ask me 1 month, 2 month. If you are doing the right thing, hear me properly, if you are doing the right thing which most of the people don't do, so how you can think that you can get result and you can benefits of that thing in just 1 and 2 months? You have to spend your 3 to 6 months. After that, you will be able to see results whatever you want. So you need to keep this thing in your mind. If you want to be consistent with your journey, you will have to spend around 3 to 6 months with your journey. After that, you will be able to see results whatever you want. This is the second problem why most of the people are not able to be consistent with their journey. Third problem and fourth problem I'm about to tell you, and I would love to uh, pull this topic for longer time, because these are the main problem that I also have experienced, because I was also at the time where I was making lots of mistake to be consistent. So third mistake is, most people think that they need to do their work with the same motivation, with the same intensity, and with the same time duration, just like they did on their first day. When did they start being consistent? If you are also that person who thinks I need to do my work with the same intensity and with the same time duration, just like I did on my first day, you will never be able to consistent with your journey, because consistency doesn't consistency doesn't take volume. Consistency takes effort. If you are the person who can take action every day and put your 100%, even if you are able to put your 20%, 30%, that's okay. If you are the person who takes every day, this is also right, because consistency takes efforts, not volume. And if you improve 1% every day, and if you just do your 10% of your work every day, so on your 100th day you would have improved your 100%. So this is the reason why most of the people are not able to be consistent with your journey. So you don't need to focus on time duration, you just have to take action every day. If your 100% is doing your work for 1 hour, and sometimes you are only able to do your work for around 10 minutes, that's also okay, because something is better than nothing. Fourth mistake that most people make, they don't have clarity, like where they want to be consistent and what is their perspective of consistence. I have seen lots of people, like they even don't know why they want to be consistent. So you need to find the clarity why you want to be consistent with your journey and what you want to do. Let's take an example. If you want to become a good communicator, so you will have to speak every day. So this is how you should also find the clarity. And you can miss out everything except speaking. So this is what I want to say. You need to find your clarity, like what is the main task that you will have to do, whether you miss out your every task. So you need to find your clarity, what is the main task that you must do, whether you miss out your every task. So this was the fourth problem that most of the people make, and because of that they are not able to be consistent with their journey. So these are the four mistakes that most people make. Let me tell you solution, and after that I will tell you my personal experience. First thing that you need to stop doing from today, it that is, don't rely on motivation. Second thing, don't want a instant result. You will have to spend around 3 to 6 months with your journey. After that you will be able to see result. Before that, don't accept result. Third thing, don't focus on time. If you are able to give your 10%, that's also okay. Fourth thing, find your clarity. What is the main task that you will have to do, whether you miss out your most of the tasks, find that clarity. So the problem is also the problem are the solution. So you just need to shift your mind like this. Let me tell you about my experience. When did I start being consistent, when did I started consistency? So I wanted to be a good communicator who can speak in front of camera and who can speak in front of people with conviction. So I wanted to be a good communicator in English language. So in November 2024, I started learning English, and I learned English for 2 months. After that, I quit. I again started in January 2025. I learned for 1 month. After that, I quit. After that, I had a session with an English tutor. I don't remember her name. From that point, and when I was talking to her, so that was blessing in disguise, blessing in disguise session for me, because that time I was making lots of mistake, but from that point I got to know lots of things about myself. And in July 2020, I would say in July 2025, I decided, Mohit, you would be consistent with your journey for 6 months. Anything happens, but you will speak English in front of camera every day. And I just knew that I had my clarity. I knew what I wanted to get. I wanted to be a good communicator. So, being a good communicator, you will have to speak every day. Everything happens, but you will have to speak every day if you want to be a good communicator. So, I figured out my clarity, and that time, I was giving enough time to my listening. I was giving enough time to my reading and writing. But when it comes to speaking, once in a blue moon, I spoke English, and 5 to 7 minutes. But I 5 to 7 minutes are also, but are all are okay. But I used to speak around. I spoke only once in a blue moon. This is the reason I was not able to be consistent with my journey. From that point into July 2025, I started being consistent, and I decided I would speak English in front of camera for 6 months. And you won't believe, it has been just 5 months. 6 months hasn't been, it has been just 5 months, and I am able to see the results which I never saw when I was not consistent. So whatever I have told you, that those are my experience. Whatever I have told you, those are the things which I have implemented in my life. So if you found this video helpful, so I do not want you to subscribe this channel and do not want you to press the like button. I just want you to drop your comment in the comment section. You have watched, if you have watched this video till the end, so drop your comment in the comment section whatever you think about my speaking, and whatever you think I should know about my speaking. Drop your comment in the comment section. I will definitely reply of your comment. If you